Let's go over how you can add brushes to Adobe Illustrator. The first thing you'll want to do is save your brushes to a location where you can easily access them. For this demonstration, I have 4 brushes that I'll be adding, and I've saved them to a brushes folder on my desktop. The brush file format for Adobe Illustrator is .ai, so I took these 4 different designs here and I exported them as .ai files, and now I will add them as brushes in Illustrator. I'm going to come up here to the window menu and I will select brushes. I'm going to click on the library icon down here to the bottom left of the menu, and I'm going to select Other Library. Now I'm going to locate those brush files on my computer. So I'm going to click on Desktop, I'll go into Brushes, and if you have multiple brushes, you'll have to install them one by one. So for this demonstration, I'll just grab the first one and click Open. And now you have a separate menu here with the brush added, and I can add that brush stroke to the selected object, and if I increase the stroke size, you can see the brush has been applied. If you found this lesson useful, be sure to check out my mailing list to receive over 200 free vector design templates, including logos, icons, infographics, avatars, and we even have a lot of textures that you can apply as brushes in Adobe Illustrator. I'll have some information about that down below if you want to check that out, and as always, thanks for watching.